And let's turn now to Joseph from Birmingham. Joseph, we appreciate you calling in and hanging with us tonight. How can we help?
Hello?
Hi, Joseph. Go right ahead with your question, if you will.
Yes, ma'am. My sister of mine had an accident in her car, and I took her to the shop. It's been about a couple of years or more, because I was working out of town at that time. And a couple of weeks later, she gave them $1,200 to start to working on their car. And after then, she got sick. But when she got up and went looking for her car, he had moved to another location. But now that he will not give her money back, and she don't know what happened to her car. So anything can I do about that?
Wow, that's a different situation. Gentlemen?
Did you catch how long the car was there?
I thought he said this happened a couple of years ago.
I thought so too.
Yeah.
So if the car remained in the shop that long, that's a problem.
That is.
For him and her.
You know, it sounds like the car was moved at some point and now she can't find the vehicle. Mm-hmm. There may be a criminal element to that, is what it sounds like to me, which also could include a civil element. But I think the first thing you may want to look into is possibly getting the police involved. To see whether the car was stolen, whether they sold it, chopped it, whatever happened to the vehicle, first find the vehicle. If that doesn't work, there's always the civil litigation portion. You could possibly file a lawsuit against the owner of the shop. Once again, this is one of those issues where I think you need to consult a lawyer on this one to sort of dig into it and see what's going on here. Because it could swing either way. This could be a criminal matter or it could be a civil matter. But I think there could possibly be something you can do about that.
Yeah, if it wasn't in the shop that whole period of time, assuming that it was only there for a reasonable period of time, then that shop is going to either have to give her car or pay her for the car, in addition to the money that she paid them. So yeah, she definitely needs to see a lawyer about that.
Yes.
And a criminal attorney or a civil, would you say start with?
I'd say start with the cops first.
Okay.
Right.
Yeah, I'd say start with the police first.
Okay.
And if that doesn't get you anywhere, I would say a civil attorney.
Okay.
And she could do both.
Yes.
I mean, she could file an incident report with the police,
Okay.
and then hire a civil attorney to look into getting her money back for her. But that's kind of outrageous.
Yeah, it is.
And Joseph, thank you for calling in to ask that question.